Whether holding a strange fish, petting a reptile, or planting a tree, students attending Ocean Commotion got to see just how diverse Louisiana wetlands are. The event featured many plants and animals that live there and why it is imperative to conserve these natural resources.
It's important because the coast is important to Louisiana in many different ways, environmentally, economically, and culturally, so it's important for our students to be educated on the coast and understand its importance.
Emma Bush is a student at West Feliciana High School and a 4-H wetlands ambassador. She volunteered her time to help educate students about wetlands because these places are special to her.
I truly do like working with our younger kids. I think it's great to show them what we do and something that we really do take a passion in.
Gabe Giffen spent the day teaching students about alligator ecology. Having a live alligator and allowing students to pet it was a useful way to educate students not only about gators, but the career opportunities that coastal Louisiana offers.
At a round-robin event like this, there is that niche for each one of those kids. So we hope we're hitting that child, piquing their interest, and giving them the beginnings of what could become an outdoor career for them.
While Ocean Commotion was a one-day event, Fox said there is a wetlands curriculum available for teachers that centers around wetlands and includes subjects besides science.
The Youth Wetlands program, we do have lessons that can be incorporated into the classroom, and teachers just can go online to our website to register for those.
Ocean Commotion is an outreach event organized by Louisiana Sea Grant and includes numerous state and federal agencies. With the LSU AgCenter, this is Craig Gautreaux reporting.